this is my Final Cut Pro timeline, and if you are working in Final Cut Pro, the timeline, it looks like this. It has lot of seconds, lot of minutes, and if you keep scrolling, it is never going to end. But do you know how you can easily fit all timeline clips together? It doesn't matter whether audio, video, and how long the timeline is. So here you go. There is a very easy and small trick. This is called shortcut of Final Cut Pro. So let's see how we can fit all the clips in the same timeline. I mean, this timeline, it will give us everything. So to do this thing, hold shift key and then press Z key. And now I'm going to do this thing. Shift key and Z, and boom. Here you will see the clip is fitted inside this timeline. And that's it. In this way, we can easily, instantly see our timeline in Final Cut Pro.